Our dream garden vision is being more and more realised this week. We started with a pretty unruly space, a rubber pile that sort of got out of hand, overgrown weeds, and a serious lack of gardening experience. Over the last couple of weeks, I've taken it upon myself to finally start the glow up this garden deserves. Last week, I finished getting rid of the remaining weeds, roots, large stones, and the random bricks from this particular part of the garden. After raking it here and there to help make it level, I was then ready to finally roll out the membrane and cover it with type 1. With the help of my husband, we managed to get through just under an entire bag, so clearly we're going to need more. I then shifted my focus and started raking the entire footprint of where the grass will be laid this week. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm very aware that I'm looking slightly panda-esque, so please do just ignore that. I've been wearing my sunglasses too much. This morning we had a very exciting delivery. I feel like we've been gearing up to this moment for the last couple of weeks. Wasn't really expecting a 7 AM wake up, but nevertheless, we've got rolls of lawn, got sand, and we've got type 1 to go down, and I'm so excited. It's so good. I feel like this garden is going to have the biggest transformation this week. We've got a whole band of family coming down tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be the big day, and there's going to be levelling. So lawn's going to go down, and we're going to add more type 1 to where we've already put type 1 down. The only thing is the type 1 colours are different, but you know what, it doesn't matter. The biggest goal at the moment, and I guess the most important thing, is just to get this to a blank canvas state so we can add, you know, the more exciting bits and pieces. We have already ordered a fire pit, an egg chair, and a dining set. So our to-do list: fill this in with the rest of the type 1, grab some of these slabs with the sand, and then just have potted plants all over this so it looks a bit more presentable. And then where you see these little mini poles, that is literally the footprint of where the lawn is going to go, and we are going to end up bordering it with festoon poles and some special lighting next week. I don't know if I've ever been this excited about grass before, but oh, it's gonna be so good. This is the calm before the storm. The calm before the chaos, not the storm. I shall see you guys tomorrow. It's now the next day, and look how good the grass is looking. We're so pleased with it. Obviously there's a little bit of patchiness going on, but we've had extra topsoil put over all of the gaps, obviously keeping it as wet as possible, and in a couple of weeks time it should look like a solid piece of lawn, which is amazing. So it's quite a grey day today, so I thought, you know, today's Thursday, so we've got today and tomorrow to do a bit more work. And I think what I'm going to do, because it arrived yesterday morning, I'm going to tackle putting this together. And the idea is that it's going to be placed within this little space here, which is where we're also going to have our fire pit / barbecue sort of like set up. So yeah, I'm going to smash through this now. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but yeah, pray for me. So my plan actually is to completely empty this box and start building this indoors, because I just don't want to get anything scratched, obviously, because it's not soft ground by any means. And because this isn't sponsored, in 3, 2, 1. As you can probably tell, there is a little bit of work to do in this corner, just because where I raked in prep for the grass, I kind of just like raked it and left it there because I wasn't entirely sure what we were going to do with this corner. So when James and I had more conversations about it, I thought, you know what, a egg chair would be perfect for this space. I just need to kind of go around and start shoveling all of the pebbles. Once we get rid of this pile, there's some slate down here, this leftover piece of marble that we took out from a fireplace, this, the ladder, I think, yeah, and then we can start focusing on more of like the weeds, because this is a huge bramble. Oh, and there's a slab right here. Gosh, yeah, I don't know if you can see this on camera. That is a thick bit of bramble right there. I'm so happy with the amount of progress that we've made this week on the garden. We've raked all of the areas. Everywhere is looking neat and tidy, which is it just makes a difference. We've got potted plants that are all ready for flowers. Maybe next week, I don't know, we need to go plant shopping, which is kind of where you guys come in, because I'm venturing into unknown territory. I've never had a garden before, and I'm currently looking at sort of dog-friendly flowers / plants. So if you have a dog and you have a garden, please let me know down in the comments which flowers you recommend, because I'm open to anything at this point. Next week I am going to be doing the same process again of taking up weeds and roots in this part right here. Eventually we're going to have to get some more type 1, so we did order more type 1 with the grass. Gone through all of that now. There was 2 massive bags all gone. Most excitingly, we are having some lighting installed, and I'm so excited to show you what that looks like at the end of next week's video. But before then, lots of things still happening in the garden, lots of things to come back for. So just want to say thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye guys.